Okay, ChatGPT is calling me Asanwa. The Lulu is the new Solulu, right? So I'm going to pretend like I have 100,000 subscribers right now, and I will tell ChatGPT to draft a YouTube strategy of me encouraging upcoming YouTubers. Let's get this started. And he says, but I beg you, if you like, use these things anyhow. Don't come and say, na me send you. Let's go. Now you can always flesh this up and make it human. So see what comes out. Here is a 1 month Instagram Reels content creator calendar. Hook driven video prompts. Okay. So if you're a content creator and you're not using AI or ChatGPT to generate content ideas for your videos, your scripts and all that, then you're definitely missing out big time. AI is not for writing boring, robotic content, okay? When used the right way, it can help you craft relatable, engaging content, ideas, scripts that can keep your audience engaged and hooked. So in today's video, I'll share with you how you can use ChatGPT to come up with viral video ideas in any niche, and how you can generate full scripts that are natural. They seem natural, they look natural, they sound natural, and they're not robotic, okay? As well as how you can use AI prompts the right way to make your videos stand out. Come with me. So first thing first, why should you even bother with ChatGPT? This is the reality check, okay? Many content creators struggle a lot with generating content ideas, researching on trending topics, viral videos, and all that. And of course, scripting can be scripting can be the hassle. It can be a struggle, okay, for content creators. But then with ChatGPT, it simplifies everything. It makes everything really easy. All you just have to do is to have the right prompt, right, for ChatGPT to give you the output of your desired results. So let's get started, okay? I'll be on my system right away. We want to generate great ChatGPT prompts across different niches. We're going to focus on skincare, we'll focus on lifestyle, and we also focus on YouTube growth. So what should we type right here? Okay, I'll quickly be sharing my screen, or maybe I could use my phone to share my screen for this, right? But you guys, let's get it started right away, okay? But then on a second thought, since this is ChatGPT and let's assume we're just novice, right? We're starting from square one. We don't even know how to generate ChatGPT prompts, okay? Where do we even start from? So what if we ask ChatGPT to help us with prompts, to teach us how to generate prompts? Let's get it started. So I'm going to quickly type on ChatGPT, how do I command ChatGPT to generate great prompts for my videos, such that these prompts can help me with the different scripts required or necessary, okay, the different scripts necessary to drive engagements on my videos from viewers. How does it sound? Let's try it and see what comes up. To generate great prompts for your videos that helps with scripting and engagement, you need to define the purpose, specify the format, and include an engagement hook. How to command ChatGPT for the best video prompts and scripts. You guys, come along with me. Let's get it started, okay? So as you can see on the screen, right, these are all of the commands ChatGPT is recommending. If you want hooks for engagement, you have to give 10 catchy video hooks for a reel. If you want video script, write a fun and engaging Instagram reel script about the topic. Like, they're just basically still helping you on how you can generate a prompt. So let's actually move to generating an actual prompt for ChatGPT. So for instance, I want to create a video on skincare, right? And I'm creating a video that targets hyperpigmentation and the type of ingredients you need to search out for in products when you want to, treat hyperpigmentation. What is the prompt we can use for this? Okay, so still following the flow, right? ChatGPT says, would you like me to generate some prompts for your next reel? Let's make your content unmixable. Let me affirm to that. Yes. And see what comes up. Hook driven video prompts. Okay. So I think all that is being generated right now are actually hooks and not the actual prompts. Now let's give ChatGPT the actual prompts regarding skincare and treating hyperpigmentation. So I will start with So I would like to film a video on hyperpigmentation. The video should capture the 3 ingredients that captures or that targets hyperpigmentation really fast, as well as advise viewers on the do's and don'ts of these products, of these ingredients. Please draft a script that has a catchy title, descriptions, relevant tags, as well as have a catchy intro and outro. Let's go. Let's see what comes out. Script. Okay. 3 powerful ingredients to erase hyperpigmentation fast. That is the video title. So the video title here is erase dark spots fast. The 3 ingredients of hyperpigmentation, do's and don'ts. So it has your tags, which is hashtag skincare, hyperpigmentation, clear skin, all of that. Now for the intro, hook to grab attention. What is saying? Okay, ChatGPT is calling me a someone. So what ChatGPT is saying here is 3 powerful ingredients. Okay, title, erase. Okay, so intro. It's saying intro should be, if dark spots and hyperpigmentation are stressing you out, stop scrolling. I'm about to spill the tea on the 3 powerful ingredients that will clear your skin fast if you use them the right way. Can you see the intro? I am like, let's walk with me. But so you go further to say, but if you don't follow the do's and don'ts, you might end up with irritated skin or even worse. Let's break it down. So it shows you the vitamin C, the do's and don'ts, what it does. It basically drafts a script for you. Niacinamide, the skin corrector, what it does. Alpha arbutin, that's the melanin regulator and what it does, right? Then it gives you an outro. So I can go ahead to tell ChatGPT, I would like this video to be 10 minutes long. Okay, 10 minutes long. Make it very engaging and infuse the Niger humor. And infuse the Niger humor in the script. Can you imagine the tags? It says skincare wahala, dark spot remedy, glow up. Now what is the intro? The intro is, let me give you guys the intro. The intro is, see, if you're tired of dark spots embarrassing you up and down like NEPA lights, gather here, let's talk. Then he goes ahead to say, you see this stubborn hyperpigmentation wahala? I've been there. Don't worry, I've cracked the code. With these 3 powerful ingredients, you will clear your skin fast, and I'm sharing all of the tea. Okay, so, and he says, but I beg you, if you like, Use these things anyhow. Don't come and say na me send you. Let's go. Now you can always flesh this up and make it human, okay? But then the way I'm already saying that, you will actually think that these are my exact words, because these are the things, the words we use on a daily basis. They are not too structured such that it is so formal. It's more relatable, right, to your audience. Exactly. Now as you scroll down, you will see that your script has actually been generated for you. You have the 3 ingredients: vitamin C, niacinamide, and alpha arbutin. You have the things you need to do, what it does. As a matter of fact, ChatGPT is even advising you on what to showcase in the video. If you look at that of vitamin C, it says show a serum bottle and hold it up like it's a holy grail. It's literally directing you on how your video can be shot, the scripts, and the outcome of your video end to end. Let's try YouTube strategy. So I'm going to pretend, so like the Lulu is the new Solulu, right? So I'm going to pretend like I have 100,000 subscribers right now, and I will tell ChatGPT to draft a YouTube strategy of me encouraging upcoming YouTubers. Let's get this started. Okay, so I will tell ChatGPT I am a YouTuber with about 100 subscribers, 100,000. God, I beg. Please, if you're watching this video and you've not subscribed, just know that you're the reason why I'm not up to 100,000 subscribers right now, and I don't appreciate that. Kindly subscribe, please. Let's get going. Okay, so I would say I'm a YouTuber with about 100,000 subscribers, right? And I would like to create a video on YouTube strategy specifically tailored to how you can increase your subscribers count, views, have an engaging, lead an engaging community, and increase your paycheck on YouTube. This video will be filmed to target upcoming YouTubers, as well as encourage them in their struggle. Okay, draft a 10 minutes video script with catchy titles, description, intro, and the actual strategies that helped me to scale on YouTube. Please make it very, very engaging, very relatable, very relatable to the Nigerian community and in a storytelling driven manner. Make it a fun and valuable video. Please draft the script. Okay, let's wait. That's a long prompt actually. Okay, now see what comes out. It says the script is the title ideas. It gave me 3 video title ideas. The first one is How I grew to 100,000 subscribers in Nigeria. The YouTube secret no one tells you. The second is YouTube Wahala. Here's how to blow fast and make money. The third is smart YouTuber. Do these 10 things to grow fast in Nigeria. Right? And the script, in fact, the way it's even titled, the script is awesome. It says, how I grew to 100,000 subscribers in Nigeria. No jazz, just strategy. Chick, chick, chick. Can you see that ChatGPT is your best bet? And Meta AI, all of these AI tools, they are designed to help you do the hard work. The long hours of sitting down for you to script, you can just copy this and paste on your teleprompter, or you can, if you decide to copy via note, it's like it makes things easy. Whatever way you want to pass this information across, you can. Now to the description, it gives me a description that I can easily copy and paste to optimize my video when I have shot it. Now it moves further to give me an intro. I always look forward to an intro. It says Asanwa, so I'm Asanwa, right? It says, my people, I remember the days I was begging for just 50 views. I would refresh my video like, say, YouTube no go pity me. Now it says, cut a fast forward of you clicking refresh 1,000,000 times. It does not just tell you what to say, it tells you how you should edit this video so that it is very engaging. I don't know, you guys, please, let's not sleep on ChatGPT. Okay, now it moves further to telling you the strategies, how you should niche down, make videos that people are searching for. Use for clickbait, use click-worthy thumbnails and titles. Don't use clickbait. Consistency is better than posting just randomly or whenever you want. Engage like your life depends on it. The algorithm loves watch time, so keep people watching. It says monetization wahala, diversify your own. Like, it literally gives you what to say. It holds your hands, you know. Yeah, so this is all for the YouTube strategy. Maybe I will just draft on lifestyle. So I would tell ChatGPT, I would like to draft a content calendar for my Instagram reels. This content should be focused on lifestyle, skincare, and social media growth. Okay, draft a 1-month calendar to ensure that I'm consistent on Instagram. So see what comes out. Here is a 1-month Instagram Reels content creator calendar that ensures consistency, engagement, and growth across lifestyle, skincare, and social media growth. Week 1, building connection and value. It's telling me what to post on Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, and Sundays. 4 days in a week. Mondays, I'm supposed to get to know me. And that should be the BTS, the behind the scene of my daily routine and the fun facts about me. Use a trending sound and add text-like features like things you should know about me. Now on Wednesday, can you guys see? In fact, week 2, relatable and trending content. Week 3, engaging and community-driven content. Week 4, personal brandings and trends. Why are you still sleeping on ChatGPT? You see that? So you guys, just to wrap up, right, with these few points of mine, I believe that I've been able to convince and not to confuse you that ChatGPT is your best buddy when it comes to generating ideas, generating your video scripts, you know, getting yourself organized, like literally holding your hands throughout your content creation journey. And if you found value in this video, I would appreciate you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, bye for now.